Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I am here with another makeup tutorial, and this time I'm going to do a Punjabi theme makeup look. So let's begin. So firstly I'm going to use moisturizer, and for this I'm using Foxtails moisturizer. This is oil balancing. I have extreme oily skin, so this one works really good for me. Alright, so I'm done with my moisturizer. Now let's do primer. Okay, so for primer, I'm using Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Primer. It is also very good for oily skin people like me, and also it will give your skin a natural highlight. You don't need to apply a separate highlighter, when you use this primer. So you have to try this. This is the best. You can apply in any way you like. Don't forget your neck, because then the whole face will look different from your neck. It will look very bad. You can see the highlighting it is giving you. You can see the difference in the skin texture after the application. Okay, so for foundation I'm using Swiss Beauty. This is their airbrush finish full coverage foundation. Alright, so now I'm using Swiss Beauty All Control Compact Powder for just the final finishing to my base makeup. Alright, so now I'm using again Swiss Beauty Eyebrow and Gel Eyeliner for coloring my brows. Okay, so just because I'm doing Punjabi look, so I give my brows this shape because it looks perfect with the Punjabi makeup. I don't know why, but it does. Alright, so now it's time for the eyeshadow. Alright, so firstly I'm going to apply the base eyeshadow, and for that I'm using, I don't know if you can see it clearly, this is very light pink shade, very light, and this will be my base eyeshadow. Alright, so now I'm using this pink shimmer. This is a pink shimmer. I don't know if it can look exactly clear on the camera, but this is the pink shimmer, and I'm going to use it at the second and final eyeshadow shade. Okay, so I can see that this is going as a very light color again, so I have to use one more eyeshadow to give it a more like, like highlighted look. So I'm again using this very dark pink shimmer on the top of it, so to see like it does. Okay, now that's perfect. This is the first time I'm making video with an iPhone, and I don't know how to set this brightness. I think I'm looking natural, but I don't know. Please guys, Don't mind if I'm looking like very brighted and highlighted in this video. Now the pink color is coming. Let's begin with my favorite kajal and mascara. So for the kajal and mascara, I'm using Blue Heaven kajal and mascara. Both of them are the same brand, Blue Heaven. Let's begin with the kajal. Perfect. My eyes are looking so pretty. Okay, so now I'm applying blush on my face, and for that I'm using again Swiss Beauty. This is Swiss Beauty lipstick. This is in a pink shade, so it will work the best as a blush. Alright, so you can see I'm looking so cute with the blush application, and I think this lipstick is my only blush that I ever used in my life because it just completed the assignment. Okay, so now it's time for the lipstick, and I'm using this same lipstick that I have applied as blush. That application. Uh, Now I'm using one more lipstick, not the lipstick but a lip gloss to give the much needed shine to my lips because it's a Punjabi look, and you know that shine is very important when you dress in a traditional uh, suit. Okay, I forgot to tell you, this is also from Swiss Beauty brand. You can see this is a Swiss Beauty product. It's a Gloss Me lip gloss. It gives a pink tint to the lips. You can see I'm looking like a doll in this makeup. This is actually a complete pink look. I'm looking so pretty. Okay, so now I'm doing my hair and then I will wear the accessories. Alright, so I'm done with my hairstyle. This is a perfect hairstyle for any Punjabi look. And now I'm wearing my earrings. Now it's time for the bangles. Now I'm having dupatta. OMG. You can have the patta like in any way if that is good. Alright, everybody, so I'm done with my makeup and I'm looking so pretty. Alright, everybody, please do comment and tell me what you think of this makeup look, and please be nice in the comment section. And okay, that's it for this video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next one.